I found this dog in the neighbor's yard. So I asked myself, how can someone hold him in this condition on that short chain? And is it something that I can do for this little poor dog? So I asked the owner, can we just shave him and bath him?
And they said yes. The sad thing is that this dog needs to go back to his owners, and I will tell you why. Let's start.
The dog has to stay with them because they don't want to give it away or sell it. It's their first dog and they thought it was normal for a dog to be chained and neglected like that. It's just that most people in the village keep their dogs like that. The beauty of my job is that I can change people's mentalities by investing my time and knowledge to educate them. Stay in the video to see how the situation turned and witness the fact that today's story has a happy ending.
Oh, I forgot to take this off. This trash.
That's the first step. We are done with chains. When I shave this type of hair, I must be patient and careful. If I rush the process, injury can happen very easily, especially in sensitive areas with a lot of stretchy skin. That's why I must constantly tighten the skin with my hand so the machine doesn't catch and cut it. Those regions are, for example, the inside of the legs, armpits, around the ears, and in older dog, the neck area. See how I tighten the skin. The tail is the most sensitive region of the dog's body because the skin is thin and has many nerve endings. Okay, this is too much. I won't force it, but I'll continue with the tail shaving later. That technique worked best for me. When I start doing something that the dog doesn't like and it has to be done, I don't force it but do something else. Then I return to that sensitive part, do it again a little and then move on to something else. And so little by little the work is done and the dog is not stressed. I often get your comments that the dogs are very calm in my hands. Some of you also comment that the dogs are sedated during treatment, which is not true. This technique is the main reason for the dog's calmness. I don't force them, but do the unpleasant parts slowly and patiently. You can see how red this dog's skin is. Why is that a big deal? Dirty and matted hair suffocates the skin. Skin that doesn't breathe cannot protect the body from external dangerous effects and then it becomes exposed to infection. That's why this dog needs to be shaved and cleaned.
Okay, body and legs are done, and now it's time for head. I want to show you his ears. So much dirtiness. First I will shave that, and after I will clean all that.
Now I'll do the first layer of shaving and cleansing, and after the bath I'll do it again, but in more detail when the water and shampoo soften everything. This bottle contains an ear cleaner created by veterinarians. The duty of the cleaner is to remove dirt, oil, but also microorganisms from the ears. See how effective it is.
I will finish with ears after bath. Let's go in the tub.
I started practicing this technique in the bathtub recently. I don't wet the dog with water before shampooing, but I apply the shampoo to dry hair. Besides proving to be much more effective with very dirty hair, I also avoid the part where the dog gets scared of the shower. This technique allows the dog to realize that the water is not dangerous.
No, we are not done. You still can't get out. I'm sorry.
Yes, I talk with animals all the time. This is an antiparasitic treatment. That liquid kills fleas, ticks, and other skin parasites. It also kills the developmental forms of these parasites, which are in fleas, eggs, larvae, and pupae, but in ticks, eggs, larvae, and nymphs. This type of development is known as complete metamorphosis in fleas and incomplete metamorphosis in ticks. Tell me, is it too complicated for you, or do you like the educational part of our videos? Would you like to be more of that in the future? You have to admit, this dog is relieved. Now he is much happier. Ear protection is essential. The hair dryer is loud and can damage hearing if the ears are not protected. all ears in the room.
What happened? I don't know. He's probably in some pain. We'll check that.
Paws are pretty much red. I guess they are sensitive to touch and that's why he reacted earlier.
It's okay. It's okay, I will not hurt you. Don't worry. Be careful. You don't need that long claws. Your legs will be deformed. It's not that scary. We are done. It's not that scary.
Second shaving for a nice and smooth haircut. Do you see how the skin isn't that red anymore? It's because the skin finally has contact with the air, but also it's clean and dry. All these factors are essential for skin recovery. I'm sure you're now thinking about how wolves and other wild animals don't have to be battered and live without skin problems, while dogs in dirty conditions get that problem. The reason is that wild animals are adapted to the conditions in the wild and have self-cleaning mechanisms. With domestication, domestic animals lose their ability to survive in the wild without help of humans. Do you think he's enjoying this treatment now? I think so. He's so relaxed now. Guys, what kind of emotions do these videos make you feel? How do you feel now? Are you happy, sad, relaxed, maybe angry or excited? Please share your emotions with us in the comments. I will share my emotions with you. I feel happiness and pride. I'm happy because I helped this dog feel better, and I'm proud because I invested my effort and time to educate owners to treat their dogs better. I think that is enough daily donations to make a better world. What do you think?
We are done. He was good. Not great, not terrible. Good.
That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel. There's more dogs like this one and more transformations of neglected dogs. We hope that something will be different in their lives, at least in a couple of months after grooming.